Hi, I'm Mike Smith. And one thing that really upsets me about the home remodeling process is the fact that homeowners, after spending 6 to 18 months on a project working with the architect and the contractor and spending 100, 200, $300,000, come out on the other end tired, exhausted, and frustrated with the entire process. And that is one thing that crushes my heart every time I hear that. When I hear someone at a cocktail party saying, I'll never do another remodel again, that crushes my heart because I love working with homeowners, working with clients to remodel their home, to create their dream home. And I want them to enjoy it as much as I do. And it is so easy to do. Yes, there's going to be challenges as you go through the process, and budget is always a obstacle, but those things fall away once you're done. And if you go through the process and you have your team, you will feel better about the remodel process. You will feel better about your architect, your contractor, and you'll be recommending it. So that's why I want to be your architect, is to help you through that process.